What's PIKA AI used for? Well, as you can see on screen, PIKA AI is simply an AI that helps us create videos. Using an existing image or video, we can create modified videos. Got it? That's its specialty. We can also create videos directly using prompts like this one of Jesus, see? And that's how we make our videos. But it mainly specializes in making video changes, often bizarre ones. Look, it turned his head into a ball and made it fly. So that's what you can do with PIKA, and that's what this app is for. Well, let's dive into PIKA AI's features. As you can see here, we have all of them. PIKA Twist, selfies, PIKA frames, PIKA swaps, and more. I'll now go through each one. Then there's the Write Me a Story section, which directly creates a video from a story. Below, you'll find all the different sections you see up top. This is like a gallery of community creations, and below that is where you can create your own. First, we have PIKA Twist, which lets you change something in an image, and it does it. Here, for example, it was asked to turn the head into a flying red ball. That's it, simple as that. In this other one, it was asked to make the astronaut turn towards the camera, stuff like that. Then there's PIKA Self, or selfies, where you can take a selfie and modify it. As you can see, everyone here has created these with their supposed youth. Then there's PIKA Frame, which I think is one of the most impressive ones. Here you can really make beautiful, detailed things with video. Look at this piece of craziness. Wow, that bullet transition. This is unbelievable. This one's insane. Then there's PIKA Swaps for putting things into images. For example, here the girl has put on glasses. This is truly incredible, I must say. It looks super good. At first, I didn't even understand what was happening. PIKA Editions lets you add realistic elements based on video movement. So they've added a Gilmore to Alien, then PIKA Scenes where you input a prompt for a scene. Finally, PIKA FX for effects like Turn Me Into This. Look, here's Maribel, here's Epic Games. I've got the volume turned way up. Anyway, these are the options and what each of them does. Below, you can use them and adjust advanced settings. For example, here's where you set the video resolution, add a negative prompt which excludes what you don't want. The sheet is where the video generation starts. Starting at sheet 1 is different from sheet 1 million. Always starting at sheet 1 with the same prompt gives the same video, but sheet 1 million gives a different video even with the same prompt. Then there's aspect ratio, which depends on what you need. Maybe you want this for YouTube or to mess around, whatever. You can make it for YouTube, cinema, Twitter, Instagram, anything. So that's the PK Dev tool and its features. Let's see how we can easily generate videos from a simple prompt to create our first videos just by inputting text. For this, you should use PK Sense. Here, you basically give it a prompt. For example, Jesus reading a Bible, then you just click on PK Sense below. As you can see, it's a paid service, but in PK Sense, you can write any story you want. You can get results like this. This one's a bit odd with the dog's hand, but this one is pretty good, really quite good. A solid result. This one's a bit stranger, but still good. The Jesus one is incredibly well done. I mean, it looks amazing. So this is what you can achieve, and that's how you can generate your videos with PIKA AI. Let's see how we can use PIKA Editions to easily create effects like this. We'll be adding objects to videos that don't originally have them. How is this done? Well, it's very simple. Just go to PIKA Editions and upload a video and an image. Here's an example. We upload this video and the image, then tell it what to do. Put glasses on the dancing girl. As usual with PIKA, without a paid plan, you get limited features. It's not available on basic plans, but you could get results like these. As you can see, I've added a giant cat. Here it's added what it can do is surreal. This is how you can create these effects with PIKA AI. As always, let's check out the pricing for PIKA GUI and see what each plan offers. They have a basic plan, but I'll be honest, it claims 80 monthly video credits and access to various PIKA features, but you can't actually use them. I tried PIKA 1.5, and it doesn't work. They've changed it without updating the info, so forget the basic plan. It's basically non-existent. The €8 monthly standard plan offers 700 video credits, access to all PIKA features including Turbo and Pro, fast generation, and extra credit purchases. No watermark free or commercial use downloads though. Next is the €28 monthly plan. Remember, buying annually saves 20%. Monthly rates are pricier at 10, 35 and €95 versus 8, 28 and €76 annually. So annually it's 8, 28 and €76. The €28 plan offers 2,300 monthly video credits, all PIKA features, fast generation, extra credit purchases, watermark free downloads and commercial usage rights. Lastly, the fancy plan at €76 monthly provides 6,000 credits, all previous features, with credits being the main difference. To be honest, I'm not sure if the basic plan is worth it. The Pro plan is probably your best bet here. It gives you access to everything, including fast generation. You can download watermark-free videos and use them commercially, which might be what you're after. So, these are the payment plans and what each offers. If you want to choose one, you now know what each provides.